Hello friends! Today I am going to introduce a free BuddyPress add-in, BuddyPress Activity Bump, which bumps activity in the activity feed when anyone likes or comments on that activity. Download the plugin zip file from WBcom Designs to install and activate. Plugin settings will be found under WB Plugins. General settings provide the option to enable bump activity when someone likes it, comments on it, or both. Let's switch to a member profile and try to test bump feature on like reaction and comment. We like the activity and refresh the activity stream. The activity we liked now comes on top of activity stream. By default, in a BuddyPress site-wide activity stream, comment activity does not show up as an individual new activity but only appears as a thread. Now, with the BuddyPress Activity Bump add-in, we can bump the activity when someone comments on it. With the BuddyX Pro BuddyPress theme, you get a reaction feature that allows users to react to posts similarly to the like feature. The BuddyPress Activity Bump add-in also works to bump the activity when someone reacts to it. The BuddyX theme allows you to disable the default like button and only keep the reactions button, as having both on the activity feed would be redundant. BuddyPress Bump add-on will work with default BuddyPress like button and work with any standard BuddyPress theme. Thanks for watching.